a gift. It's a hair. It came with a band. Those hairbands. So cool. This is beautiful. It is extremely soft, guys. Extremely soft. And it has this very strong band. Oh shit. So this hair is giving color, is giving my vibe. I've always wanted to get something like this color in particular. So looking at it right now, it's a factory hair, so the full frontal does not cover. I don't know how to explain this because I'm not a hair person. I don't know the words to use. When I say factory hair, it doesn't mean the hair is bad. It just means the frontal does not come to the, like, it doesn't come forward as it's supposed to. So I got this. This is for frontal, for making frontal. And I have not made frontal in my life before. But yeah, that's why we have YouTube, right? I'm going to learn. And let's see if we can pull this together. I'm gonna put it on right now to show you guys what I'm talking about. It still has this little strap at the back and those tinny combs. The frontal, like I said, being a factory wig, does not totally cover my sides. Look. So it's made like this instead of like this. I think that's the best explanation I can give right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add little strands of hair this way. I'm gonna add it like this from here downward. I do not have a dummy head. I do not have a headstand or whatever, and I do not know how I'm gonna do this, but I got this anyway, so we're just gonna have to figure it out together. And you guys don't mind how it's looking. Like, I've tempered with it too much.
I checked out some videos on how to go about it, and this is what I started with.
So I think if you look here, you notice that I've put in something.
I marked the parts I was supposed to fill to make it easier and not go overboard. Being my first time, I made sure I did not do too much. So when I'm trying to cut any parts of the hair, I made sure I cut the tiniest piece. I'm using a crocheting 4 to 5 hairs. I don't know why they call it that, but I had so many failed attempts and finally got it.
Guys, this is day 3 of doing this frontal lace and I am nailing it. I just found out that it's actually easier than I was thinking. I think I was overreacting. It was so simple. Not at the beginning though, but it was getting easier. And if you look at this place, I've totally filled up everything. In fact, I filled up to this point because I noticed it wasn't peaked, so I needed like a thin layer while I pick a little of this. I'm still gonna pick it maybe after I'm done with this other side. So I want you guys to see the difference. Look, see how this came this way and it's reaching my ear. So I want you guys to see this part. It's obvious. Guys, am I not proud of myself? Huh? Look at it. It's clean, cleaner than I expected, and it's just looking good. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you're finding it so interesting and so educative, because it's something you might have felt you cannot do, but see me do it now and the struggles I went through, but I still did a good job. You should know you can do it too. Share, subscribe if you haven't. Just make sure your girl goes viral. I love you guys. I want to make sure it's sitting right on my face. so I don't make a mistake. Okay. First.
It was at this point I realized I made a mistake by cutting before gluing, but it still works.
That's done, and it's time to glue it in. So personally, I do not use glue for my frontal wig because I feel it's stressful, and it's something I want to be able to pull out anytime. I'm just gonna use glue at the edges because I want that to stay just at the edge. Yes. This is a hold spray, a hard hold spray, so, and I feel like it could still hold your frontal if your frontal is tight enough. I'm not using what do you call it, a wig cap. Yeah, no, I forgot to buy.
So I want to say something real quick. If you get your hair, whether it's frontal or no frontal, as long as it's not filled to your taste, take it to a hair salon, let them fill it up for you before styling, or you fill it up yourself just to save some cash. So fixing frontal is something I've done before. I'm not so perfect, but we're getting to perfection.
It is like an experiment, so fingers crossed we get it right. Curling the hair, we're going to start with our heat protectant. Oh, yes, that's what we're looking for. Oh, okay, let's take this out now. Proud of myself. I am proud of myself. Okay, see? It's not perfect. It's not perfect. The more I do this, the more I get better. So we're gonna get better eventually. So being that I do not have a hot comb, this is risky. Don't do this at home. Okay, I'm gonna do this because I need this to sleep a little. Yes, there, that way, a little. Ooh, that hurts. That hurts. Okay, yes, we got it. Yes. Oh, that was risky, but we got it. So this is what it's looking like, but I feel like my lace is not well melted. So I want to do something about it. A brighter shade first on it. It's not too bright. Let me say my color. My color. To give it a blended finish. Okay. Okay, this is better. A little better. And it smells good.
I later found out this was wrong. Do not put excess oil on your hair if you're looking for volume.
This is the finish. Look. I did a good job. I did a good job, guys. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it like I did. I hope you enjoyed the whole process. It was a hectic one, but at the end of the day, we did it right, didn't we? So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, give the video a big thumbs up, click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. Share to whoever needs a motivation. And leave your comment below. Drop your comments, like what's your favorite part, what have you learned, what do you expect from my next video, hair video, skin, anything at all you expect from me. Let me know in the comment section. Just air out your mind, guys. I love you all. Bye.